Hi beauties, welcome back to the channel guys. I have created this beautiful look, so keep watching till the end and hit that subscribe if you haven't. So this makeup is inspired by my favorite singer's makeup look. I'm not sure if I did a good job. Do let me know in the comments. Maybelline Age Rewind Concealer and Maybelline's Matte Foundation. So I am baking with normal powder and trust me बहुत powder हो गया था but results में कोई difference नहीं लगा मुझे. This is MAC's Eyeshadow Palette और brows intentionally dark कर रहे हैं because my favorite singer जिसका मैं नाम नहीं ले पाती उसके brows भी black हैं. So yeah. I have overlined my lips to make it look fuller and I kind of like this full lips thing. So this is my final look. Do let me know in the comment section if I'm looking good, if I did a good job, or what do you think about this overall look. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe to my channel.